Speaker sir, उदोचान आयकता. Most of the members of the opposition have praised police. म्हणजे आजच कळटा की पुलिसाचो दरारो कितलो आसा तो. एनिवे रोहनान तर म्हाका दिसता नेगेटिव्हच पिक्चर पेंट केला. एनिवे आय विल पेंट अ गुड पिक्चर, ट्रू पिक्चर. I'll paint a good picture, the true picture rather. Speaker sir, 2012च्यान म्हाका एक स्ट्रेस करूनचें दिसता की PSI, LPSI, PC, होम गार्ड्स, LPC म्हणून जवळ जवळ 1,500 लोकांचो रिक्रुटमेंट जालो. हातून म्हाका एक गोष्ट नमूद करूनची दिसता की मायनॉरिटी कम्युनिटीचे कॅन्डिडेटी खुबशे सिलेक्ट जाले जे पयलीं जायना आशिल्ले इन सो कॉल्ड सेक्युलर गव्हर्मेंट्स. पूण डेफिनेटली आमच्या गव्हर्मेंटान करून दाखयलें. पुलीस हॅव बीन मेड सिटीजन सेंट्रीक. आतां रोहन उलयतालो सिनियर सिटीजन इज पब्लीक ग्रीवन्स, बट आय थिंक पुलीस हॅव स्टार्टेड स्पेशल lines, special phones for women and senior citizens, helplines. Speaker sir, पयलेच आमी एक नवें एप्लिकेशन, मोबायल बेस्ड एप्लिकेशन लॉन्च केलें. I think this goes a long way to bring police more closer to people, and I feel this is the approach which has taken police department to decrease crime rate by almost 34.87 or 35%, which was stated yesterday, and I have the figures also in hand, and the detection rate going up by 15%, almost 85-86% we have touched. This is only because of the confidence of the people that police are trying to gain. थोडे शॉर्टेजीस आसता स्पीकर सर, पूण सामकेच जे पळय काळें पिक्चर आतां पेंट केल्लें तशेंय नासता. मातशें धवे करता मरे. स्पीकर सर, पणजे पुलीस स्टेशन एक बिजी पुलीस स्टेशन. धरणे, मोर्चा, VVIP मुवमेंट, एरियाय बरी आसा. Police force is given, but it is not adequate. The space also is not adequate, Speaker sir. My sincere request to Honorable CM and the Home Minister is that we had committed to shift traffic police to Paryatan Bhavan, traffic police station to Paryatan Bhavan, and this space can be allocated to the Panji police station, Panji town police station for their use. Speaker sir, थोडेफार इश्यूय जाले. एक म्हाका एक नमूद करचें दिसता. ड्रग्स, वी हॅव our government, under our government, the police department has seized drugs, a record of 9 crore 31 lakhs. Drugs worth 9 crore 31 lakhs. Okay, so this goes a long way to curb the drug menace. But at the same time, some people have brought to my notice that the cheaper varieties of drugs are coming in now. Since the police are after the organized drug sector, organized gangs, and they've almost tried to crush them, there are small peddlers who are trying to deal with non-addictive, cheaper varieties of drugs like ganja, charas, which is little serious, especially from the point of view of the students near schools, near colleges. Speaker sir, हांव आनी एक नमूद करपाक सोदता. SEZचे स्कॅम जालें. जवळ 40 लाख वदळ आमी उलयताले. म्हजोय प्रश्न आशिल्लो, अनफॉर्च्युनेटली येवना. 40 लाख स्क्वेअर मिटर जमीन, जवळ जवळ गोंयचे 2% जमीन हातून लॉक जावन पडिल्ली आसा. इट्स अ स्कॅम, स्पीकर सर. आणि देर इज वन प्रायवेट कंप्लेंट lodged with Panji police station, and I request Honorable CM and the Home Minister to start investigating this complaint freshly and pinpoint, so that in future at least those who cry hoarse for giving some few lakhs of land for Defense Expo, which is worth it, are giving. I have already given 40 lakh square meters of land to somebody, and it is totally lying unproductive. Speaker sir, पुलीस आमचे, हांवें आतां थोडे नेगेटीव उलयलें. आनी एक पयर एक केस जाली. आयज हांवें कॉलिंग अटेन्शन हाडिल्लें, पूण तें somehow it was not put. There was one student known as Shanu Waingankar from my constituency, Mala, who was allegedly kidnapped on the eve of elections, college elections. He was contesting General Secretary's post. And a student's group belonging to a certain party started immediate allegations. Speaker sir, unfortunately, elections are supposed to be held the next day. Unfortunately, that same evening, our ex-president, Dr. APJ Kalam, expired and the election had to be postponed. And I am given to understand that this was a case of self-kidnapping to garner sympathy votes. Speaker sir, this is a very serious nature and has a long ramifications for students community in Goa. I request Honorable Home Minister to investigate this case thoroughly. There are attempts to take back this case, withdraw this case. But Speaker sir, this has to be investigated. The guilty has to be punished. Even I am given to understand some college authorities are involved in this. Some high holding posts. Speaker sir, पयर ओदो एक उल्लेख जाल्लो म्हापसा robbery जाली. But I am very pleased to know that immediately within few hours the culprit was nabbed almost at the other end of Goa. म्हापशा जाली आनी पोळ्या धरलो. Speaker sir, Vasco double murder जाले. Immediately आमच्या पुलिसांनी investigation thorough करून both accused were caught. आनी म्हापसा केपें murder जाले, Old Goa murder जाले. But all this were immediately caught. This goes to show our competency and professionalism of our force. Speaker sir, coming to the modern equipments that need to be used. Last assembly, I had raised a question of CCTV installation in Panji city, in my constituency. And Honorable CM had assured me that he is considering a proposal for whole of Goa. Speaker sir, I am sorry to state that not much major progress has been achieved in this field. Speaker sir, आमकां आयज modern policing methods जाय. Manpower सगळे कडेन पावपाक शकना. But we have got the technology at our disposal. Speaker sir, if we use good control room with adequate number of CCTV cameras, we can do better policing. People will be able to feel safer and there will be a deterrent to the criminals who roam on the streets. Coming to our fire force, Speaker sir, our fire force has performed very well. In last 2 years, I have seen them practically working, especially in monsoons and the time of disasters. Our government, again I wish to reiterate that the shortage of manpower, we have tried to bridge it by recruiting almost 600 people. But Speaker sir, याच बाजून दुसरी बाजू एक आसा. We have increased manpower, but there are facilities which requires like lodging and dining, which needs to be created for this additional force that we have recruited. Speaker sir, there are some proposals of fire force pending. I feel we should take it up and give some good facilities to these new recruits, whereby they can also perform better. Our fire force has been modernized. We have got good high-rise, good fire tenders to tackle high-rise fires. One initiative which I would like to mention here is, Speaker sir, motorcycle-based firefighting system. Very good for reaching in nooks and crannies, especially पणजे बसून थोडे रस्ते आसा, थोडे वाडे आसा, ज्या जाग्यार व्हेकल पावपाक शकनात, त्या जाग्यार ह्यो मोटरसायकली इमिजिएटली पावता, इमिजिएटली उजो पालयता, इमिजिएटली आमकां हेल्प करता. बरी गोष्ट आसा. आतां म्हाका दिसता डिपार्टमेंटा कडेन 5 काय 6 मोटरसायकली तसल्यो आसा. म्हाका दिसता एक मान्य होम मिनिस्टरान दखल घेवन गोंयभर हाचो प्रसार करचो. स्पीकर सर, आनी एक गोष्ट हांव नमूद करपाक सोदतां. गोवा गव्हर्मेंटा कडेन फायर डिपार्टमेंटांतल्यान गोवा इन्स्टिट्यूट ऑफ फायर टेक्नॉलॉजी एंड सिव्हिल डिफेन्स हें एक सेटअप करपाचें प्रपोजल आसा. The fire department's manpower is in great need in the Gulf countries and the Southeast Asian countries for our competence and our professionalism. Speaker sir, आमचे खुबशे जाण फायर फायटर म्हणून जॉइन जाता, ऑफिसर्स म्हणून जॉइन जाता, and they go on long leave searching for lucrative jobs. Speaker sir, if we can make this institute, it will become a good source of training for our youth who can get good jobs abroad. Speaker sir, I'll go one step further and request government to convert this Goa Institute of Fire Technology and Civil Defense to State Institute of Disaster Management so that more wider scope can be covered. And our department has formulated a lot of modules which can be used in all these institutes. Speaker sir, when I say about the fire stations, I will suggest 2 new fire stations. In fact, one fire station at EDC Pato Plaza, which has got a lot of high rises and a lot of new developments are happening. This needs to be taken up urgently. If not in the EDC plot, then at least we can tie up with the department can tie up with some private builder who can give them some space in lieu of some fire safety measures to that building. We can work out some out-of-the-box solutions for this EDC Pato Plaza complex, and that can be done. I'll take 5 minutes. Speaker sir, another thing I want to bring to notice of the government is that there is a fire station at Old Goa, which is not a very major fire station, but it covers monumental monuments like Old Goa churches, which are World Heritage sites. Many of them have a lot of wooden work and they are in the danger of fire always. So we need to address this. Speaker sir, फ्रीडम फायटराचेर येतना हांव एकच सांगपाक सोदतां, थोडेशे तांचे आतां उरल्या, गव्हर्मेंटान तांचो रिक्रुटमेंट करून हो इशू वन्स एंड फॉर ऑल काबार करचो. Speaker sir, last I would like to go to jails. We have recently inaugurated Kolwale jail. आणि म्हजी एक मागणी आसा की जगन्नाथराव जोशी म्हणून एक आमचो भारताचो एक थोर मनीस जावन गेलो. गोंयच्या फ्रीडम स्ट्रगलांकय ताणें एक बरोच व्हडलो वांटो ताचो आशिल्लो. आणि कोलवाळे जेल should be termed as or named as जगन्नाथराव जोशी सुधार गृह. ही म्हजी सरकारा कडेन मागणी. हे म्हजे 2 शब्द सांगून हांव थांबयतां. थँक्यू.